AI is everywhere, but what we see now is just the beginning. We're on the verge of a technological leap that will redefine everything: communication, medicine, even space exploration. By 2030, AI won't just be a tool, it'll be a collaborator, unlocking breakthroughs that sound like science fiction today. Let's dive into 5 mind-bending innovations that will shape the next chapter of human history. First up, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These interfaces represent a monumental leap in how we interact with technology and the world around us. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, not your hands. It's a paradigm shift, moving away from physical interaction to direct neural command. BCIs are evolving fast, from invasive surgery requiring complex procedures to wearable EEG caps offering a more accessible approach, decoding brain signals with AI. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly adept at interpreting the complex language of the brain. The first impact is medical, restoring movement to paralyzed patients, offering a new lease on life, giving voice to those who can't speak. BCIs are unlocking communication pathways previously thought impossible. But soon, you'll compose messages or control your smart home just by thinking. The possibilities extend far beyond current applications. Communication will be instant, limited only by the speed of thought. The very nature of interaction will be redefined. Imagine accessing the internet as an extension of your memory, or learning new skills by downloading them directly. This could revolutionize education and professional development. The line between human and machine intelligence will blur. We are entering an era of unprecedented cognitive enhancement. But with this power come big questions. Who owns your thoughts? How do we prevent brain hacking? We must address these challenges before BCIs go mainstream. Ethical frameworks and security protocols are paramount. Here's the bold prediction. By the end of the decade, we'll see the first consumer-grade, non-invasive BCI enabling telepathic communication, even if it's just simple concepts at first. It'll be the hello world moment for a new era of human connection. This will mark a pivotal point in technological history. The groundwork is being laid right now. The future of mind-machine symbiosis is closer than you think. Get ready for a revolution in how we interact with technology and each other. Next, meet the autonomous AI scientist, an AI that doesn't just analyze data, but drives the entire discovery process. Imagine an AI with access to every scientific paper and dataset, spotting patterns no human could see. In drug discovery, AI already predicts promising compounds in hours, not years. In materials science, it can design new materials by simulating billions of atomic structures. For climate science, it runs endless simulations to find solutions we'd never consider. Human scientists will shift from doing grunt work to asking big creative questions, while AI does the heavy lifting. Here's a prediction. Within 15 years, a Nobel Prize will be awarded, at least in part, to an AI for a major scientific breakthrough. The partnership between human curiosity and AI's discovery power will unlock a golden age of innovation. The game is about to change. Are we ready for science at the speed of thought? Now, let's turn our gaze to the vast expanse of space, the final frontier. AI is rapidly becoming an absolutely essential tool, a critical component for exploring the cosmos and unlocking its deepest secrets. Consider the autonomous rovers diligently working on Mars. These incredible machines already make real-time decisions, analyzing data and responding to their environment, autonomously navigating the challenging Martian terrain and carefully sampling potential points of scientific interest, all without the need to constantly wait for instructions sent from Earth, which can take precious time. AI is also instrumental in sifting through the mountains of data generated by our powerful telescopes, efficiently spotting exoplanets that might harbor life and identifying cosmic anomalies that defy our current understanding. It does all of this at a speed and scale that far surpasses the capabilities of any human team. Looking ahead to deep space missions, AI will be essential to operate probes for extended periods, potentially years, tirelessly searching for signs of life beyond Earth. These probes will be capable of making significant scientific discoveries entirely on their own. And when it comes to crewed missions, AI will play a crucial role in monitoring the health and well-being of astronauts, proactively predicting potential equipment failures before they even occur, and even providing guidance during complex medical procedures in the challenging environment of space. Furthermore, AI will be instrumental in designing and constructing habitats, establishing a permanent presence on the Moon and eventually on Mars, utilizing locally sourced materials and coordinating the efforts of swarms of specialized robots. NASA is already actively developing sophisticated AI assistants designed to support astronauts. Think of it as a space GPT, a personalized AI companion. This AI will serve as a comprehensive mission manual, a troubleshooting guide, and an invaluable problem solver. The future of space exploration isn't solely about advanced rockets and powerful engines, it's about forging intelligent partnerships, with AI acting as our co-explorer and collaborator. The next giant leap for humankind will undoubtedly be powered by the incredible capabilities of AI, both in mission control centers here on the ground, and on spacecraft millions upon millions of miles away. The universe, with all its wonders and mysteries, is about to become significantly more accessible to us than ever before. But the question remains, are we truly ready to meet the challenges and opportunities that await us? The stars are calling out to us, beckoning us to explore. And with the power of AI at our side, we are finally ready to answer that call. Back on Earth, a new era is dawning. Robots are evolving beyond mere machines. They're about to get personal. We're entering the age of emotionally intelligent machines. These aren't just robots that perform tasks, they understand and respond to our feelings. These robots use a sophisticated array of sensors and AI, employing advanced algorithms to read facial expressions, analyze tone, and interpret body language, adapting their behavior in real time to create more natural and effective interactions. In healthcare, where empathy is paramount, they'll comfort patients, offering a sense of security and well-being, detect loneliness in the elderly or isolated, and alert caregivers to distress, ensuring timely intervention. In customer service, where first impressions matter, they'll sense frustration in a customer's voice and adjust their approach, offering solutions with patience and understanding, making interactions smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more human. In education, a field ripe for personalization, AI tutors will adapt lessons, carefully attuned to a student's mood, recognizing signs of boredom or confusion, boosting engagement, fostering a love of learning and building confidence. But there are challenges, significant ones. The uncanny valley, a feeling of unease when robots appear too human, privacy concerns, as these robots collect vast amounts of personal data, and the risk of emotional manipulation, where AI could exploit our vulnerabilities. Strong ethical guardrails, robust regulations, and transparent development practices are essential. By 2035, a not-so-distant future, emotionally intelligent AI will be standard in high-end vehicles, a seamless integration of technology and emotion. Your car will sense road rage or fatigue, monitoring your vital signs and emotional state, adjust the environment, modifying the lighting, temperature, and music, and keep you calm and safe, preventing accidents before they happen. The line between machine and companion, between technology and empathy, is blurring, creating a new paradigm of human-robot relationships. The future of robotics is empathy, a future where machines understand and care. Will we embrace it, welcoming these emotionally intelligent machines into our lives, or fear it, remaining skeptical of their true intentions? The answer will shape our daily lives, influencing everything from healthcare to transportation. The age of robots that feel, that understand, and that respond is almost here, promising a future filled with both incredible potential and profound ethical considerations. Finally, the big one: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike today's narrow AI, AGI will think, learn, and solve problems across any domain like a human, only faster and smarter. AGI could cure diseases, end poverty, and invent technologies beyond our imagination. But the risks are enormous. The alignment problem, ensuring AGI's goals match human values, is the greatest challenge of our time. A misaligned AGI could be catastrophic. Experts debate the timeline, decades or centuries. But progress is accelerating, and emergent abilities are already surprising us. The first AGI won't be a single machine, but a network, a society of minds emerging gradually, not with a flip of a switch. We may only recognize it in hindsight. The stakes are nothing less than the future of humanity. Will AGI be our greatest ally, or our last mistake? The countdown has begun. The world is watching. Are we ready? From mind-machine merges to AGI, these innovations will redefine what it means to be human. The next decade will be a wild ride, full of promise and peril. The future isn't just happening to us, we're building it. Ethics, safety, and wisdom must guide our path. The power is immense, and so is our responsibility. Which AI breakthrough excites you most? Comment below and subscribe for more future tech insights. The journey is just beginning.